Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the 15 SUVs smart buyers are choosing right now. Number 15, Honda Passport. The Honda Passport enters the market with a starting price of $44,000 and represents the absolute pinnacle of no-excuses mid-size SUV engineering. Smart buyers are gravitating toward this machine because it bridges the gap between a daily suburban commuter and a serious off-road tool without compromising on the legendary reliability for which Honda is known. Consumer Reports has awarded the 2026 model high marks specifically for its reinforced 3.5-liter V6 engine, which remains naturally aspirated. This mechanical choice is a massive win for the owner's wallet, as it avoids the extreme thermal stress and complex plumbing of turbocharged rivals that often require thousands in repairs as they age. Honda has also refined the 10-speed automatic transmission for 2026, utilizing high-durability clutch packs designed to handle constant shifting under heavy loads without overheating or slipping. This focus on over-engineered internals ensures that the Passport remains a high-value asset with a resale value that leads the two-row segment. Investing in this redesigned Honda secures a rugged, high-equity asset that holds its value better than almost any other two-row SUV on the market today. Number 14, BMW X5. The BMW X5 starts at $66,000 and continues to be the definitive pick for luxury buyers who refuse to gamble on long-term dependability. Consumer Reports has given the 2026 X5 exceptional scores, largely due to the B58 inline-six engine, which has established a global reputation as a bulletproof luxury powerplant. This engine uses a sophisticated closed-deck design that handles thermal cycles far better than the V8 engines found in domestic rivals, ensuring that the gaskets and seals remain leak-free well past the 100,000-mile mark. BMW has also simplified the electrical architecture for the 2026 model year, utilizing more robust wiring harnesses and high-quality sensors that eliminate the gremlins that historically affected German SUVs. Every dollar spent on an X5 buys a level of manufacturing precision that keeps the chassis rigid and the cabin silent for over a decade of ownership. The 2026 model also benefits from a revised X-Drive all-wheel drive system that uses high-strength mechanical gears rather than the lightweight aluminum components seen in lesser competitors. Choosing this BMW represents a strategic move into the premium segment, providing elite performance without the traditional penalty of excessive unscheduled repairs. Number 13, Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser enters the market starting at $56,000, offering a legendary nameplate with modern, reliable hybrid technology. It is built on a heavy-duty body-on-frame platform designed for a 25-year service life in the most punishing environments on Earth. Consumer Reports has praised the Land Cruiser's iForce Max hybrid powertrain for its massive torque and mechanical integrity, as it uses a robust electric motor to assist the engine during high-stress maneuvers, reducing the internal wear on the pistons and valves. Unlike unibody crossovers that feel disposable, after 6 or 7 years, the Land Cruiser retains its structural rigidity and off-road capability for a generation. The 2026 model features a full-time four-wheel drive system with a reinforced locking center differential, providing a purely mechanical connection to the road that refuses to fail when the pavement ends. Ownership costs are kept low by Toyota's decision to use shared components from the Tundra and Tacoma, ensuring that parts are affordable and mechanics across America are well-versed in their maintenance. Buying a Land Cruiser is essentially a defensive financial maneuver. Its extreme global demand and legendary reliability ensure that your trade-in value remains stratospheric. Parking this Toyota in your driveway is like buying a bar of gold. Its legendary reliability and extreme demand ensure that your equity remains secure regardless of market trends. Number 12, Tesla Model Y. The 2026 Tesla Model Y, priced at $41,000, remains the smartest choice for buyers looking to slash their annual operating costs to the absolute minimum. With zero moving parts in its drivetrain compared to the hundreds found in a gasoline engine, the Model Y eliminates the need for oil changes, spark plugs, timing belts, and transmission flushes. This mechanical simplicity saves owners thousands over the vehicle's life and eliminates the risk of catastrophic engine failure that haunts internal combustion vehicles. Consumer Reports has awarded the 2026 model high marks for its improved build quality and structural battery pack, which actually increases the vehicle's rigidity and safety. The lack of a traditional multi-speed gearbox means there are no clutches to slip or gears to grind, providing a level of mechanical dependability that no gas-powered SUV can match. For the American audience, the 2026 Model Y also benefits from the most reliable charging infrastructure in the world, ensuring that operational reliability extends to the power grid itself. Every dollar you save on fuel is a dollar that stays in your pocket, and because the vehicle is updated frequently via software, it actually gains features and efficiency as it ages. Embracing this electric leader allows you to reclaim your time and money, moving away from the planned obsolescence of traditional engines and into a future of pure mechanical efficiency. Number 11. Lexus NX. The Lexus NX starts at $46,000 and is the definitive smart luxury choice for those who want a premium badge without the premium maintenance bills. Consumer Reports highlights the NX line as a standout because its hybrid systems have far fewer moving parts than a traditional automatic transmission, virtually eliminating the risk of a catastrophic failure. For the American buyer, this translates to a luxury vehicle that costs about the same to maintain as a standard Toyota, providing a massive financial advantage over a decade of ownership. The 2026 model features a robust electrical system that avoids the failure-prone sensors found in European rivals, ensuring that the dashboard stays free of warning lights. Lexus's anti-corrosion treatments are also among the best in the world, protecting the chassis from the salt-slushed winters of the northern USA. The 2026 NX also introduces a revised suspension with high-durability bushings designed to maintain a smooth, vibration-free ride for over 150,000 miles. This Lexus acts as a mechanical safe haven for your luxury dollars, delivering a refined sanctuary that refuses to become a financial liability as it ages. Number 10. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson starts at $30,000 and has earned record-high reliability scores by offering the most comprehensive warranty in the American market. It is the only SUV in this segment that backs its mechanical components with a 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, effectively insulating your bank account from major repair costs for a decade. Consumer Reports points to the Tucson's naturally aspirated base engine and improved hybrid systems as primary reasons for its high durability rating. The 2026 model features a liquid-cooled multi-plate clutch in its AWD system, which prevents the clutch burn and overheating issues common in budget-friendly crossovers during heavy snow or light trail use. Hyundai has also reinforced the transmission mounts and cooling fans for the 2026 model year to ensure the vehicle can handle the high thermal loads of southern summer driving. Ownership costs are kept exceptionally low because Hyundai includes 3 years of complimentary maintenance, which can save a first-time owner thousands in fluid changes and inspections. Securing this Hyundai ensures that your daily commute is protected by a massive safety net of engineering and financial protection that no other brand can match. Number 9. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner starts at $44,000 and remains the undisputed king of resale value and mechanical immortality. It is engineered with a 30-year service life in mind, utilizing a heavy-duty body-on-frame construction that can withstand the most grueling American trails without suffering structural fatigue. Consumer Reports has given the new iForce turbocharged powertrain high marks for reliability, as it has undergone millions of miles of validation to ensure it matches the bulletproof reputation of the outgoing V6. Every suspension component, from the control arms to the shock absorbers, is twice as thick as what you will find on a typical crossover, ensuring that the chassis remains rigid for decades. The 2026 model also features a revised 8-speed automatic transmission that avoids the hunting and overheating issues common in its competitors' units. While the rest of the industry has pivoted to fragile unibody crossovers, the 4Runner retains its heavy-duty soul, making it a favorite for long-distance drivers who demand mechanical confidence. It is a machine built to survive conditions that would destroy its peers, ensuring that your investment remains secure regardless of how hard you drive it. The cooling systems are also over-engineered to prevent thermal degradation during high-torque off-roading. Investing in this 4Runner turns your vehicle purchase into a secure and liquid asset, ensuring your capital is protected by a drivetrain that simply refuses to quit. Number 8. Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada starts at $58,000 and represents a mechanical revolution in the full-size SUV segment. Consumer Reports has noted that the new twin-turbocharged V6 is engineered for high-torque reliability, utilizing high-strength alloys in the turbochargers that handle extreme thermal stress better than the old V8 engines. This SUV is a body-on-frame tank designed for heavy towing and long-distance travel, featuring a 9-speed automatic transmission with a dedicated heavy-duty cooling circuit that prevents drivetrain fatigue. Unlike domestic full-size SUVs that are often plagued by lifter failures and transmission shudders, the 2026 Armada offers a stable, high-output platform built for the long haul. The suspension architecture has been reinforced with high-durability pneumatic components to avoid the costly leaks seen in rival systems, ensuring a smooth ride for hundreds of thousands of miles. Ownership costs are kept competitive because Nissan uses a high-capacity radiator and auxiliary oil coolers as standard equipment, protecting the powertrain from the mechanical strain of hauling heavy trailers. For those who need a true truck-based SUV that can handle an 8-passenger load while maintaining mechanical integrity, the Armada is the smartest heavy-duty choice on the market. Number 7. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot starts at $42,000 and is a mechanical fortress for large families who prioritize durability over flashy gimmicks. Consumer Reports gives it high marks for sticking with a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6, an engine architecture that is famous for its low-stress operation and lack of carbon buildup issues. This engine is paired with a robust 10-speed automatic transmission that has been reinforced for the 2026 model year to handle the weight of an 8-passenger load without missing a beat. The Pilot's iVTM4 torque vectoring AWD system uses heavy-duty mechanical clutch packs instead of reactive electronic couplings, preventing the overheating issues common in lesser 3-row SUVs. RepairPal ranks the Pilot in the top tier for reliability, noting that its frequency of unscheduled repairs is significantly lower than the class average. Honda has also focused on superior cooling and lubrication for the 2026 model, ensuring the transmission stays smooth even after years of daily use in heavy traffic. Placing your dollars in this Honda ensures that your family has a reliable, long-term partner that values mechanical integrity and safety above all else. Number 6. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 starts at $29,000 and remains the gold standard for build quality in the compact segment. Even as newer models enter the market, the CX-5 stays at the top of Consumer Reports charts because its naturally aspirated powertrain is one of the most thoroughly vetted in the industry. It uses a real 6-speed automatic transmission instead of a drone-prone CVT, providing a more durable mechanical connection that can handle high-mileage use without belt slippage or internal fatigue. Mazda's commitment to tighter manufacturing tolerances means that the CX-5 feels more premium and stays rattle-free longer than almost any other compact SUV in its price bracket. The 2026 model year includes structural adhesives and high-durability bushings that maintain the vehicle's sharp handling for well over 150,000 miles. While other brands are moving to tiny, high-strung engines that are prone to head gasket failures, the CX-5 sticks to a tried-and-true 2.5-liter motor that is built to last 20 years. Ownership costs remain incredibly low because the vehicle requires only basic fluid changes to stay in peak condition, avoiding the planned obsolescence of more complex rivals. Owners of this Mazda enjoy a rare combination of aesthetic grace and mechanical grit, making it a timeless asset that defies the industry's push toward fragility. Number 5. Toyota Grand Highlander. The Toyota Grand Highlander starts at $45,000 and is the only solution for families who need massive space without the high-maintenance costs of a traditional truck-based SUV. It consistently secures high reliability scores from Consumer Reports because it is built on the TNGA-K platform, which uses high-strength steel and structural adhesives to ensure the chassis stays rigid for the life of the vehicle. The 2026 model features an oversized cooling system and a reinforced water pump, ensuring that the engine remains within optimal temperature ranges even when hauling a full load of 8 passengers and their gear. By utilizing a planetary gear-based hybrid system in its volume models, Toyota eliminates the need for traditional belts and clutches, removing the most common failure points found in large crossovers. Ownership costs are kept low by a simple maintenance schedule and a massive network of technicians who know these engines inside and out. The Grand Highlander is also a financial powerhouse due to its industry-leading resale value. Every dollar you spend is protected by a brand that the used car market prizes above all others. Families who invest in this Toyota enjoy the rare luxury of maximum utility paired with a bulletproof, mechanical pedigree that ensures their money is working for them. Number 4. Subaru Forester. The 2026 Subaru Forester, beginning at $29,000, has been completely refreshed to offer the best visibility and mechanical endurance in its class. Consumer Reports has awarded it a great reliability rating because its boxer engine is designed with a low center of gravity, which drastically reduces mechanical vibration and stress on the chassis engine mounts. The new Lineartronic CVT features a more robust chain drive system that eliminates the stretching and slipping issues found in older belt-driven designs, ensuring the transmission stays smooth for over 15 years. Subaru has also reinforced the front and rear subframes for 2026, increasing torsional rigidity by 10%, which reduces the mechanical strain on the suspension components during heavy use. Over 97% of Foresters sold in the last 10 years are still on the road today, a statistic that no other brand in this class can match. With an annual maintenance cost that is nearly 15% lower than the segment average, the Forester is a smart long-term financial play for any budget-conscious household. It is a vehicle designed for the person who wants to buy a car once and keep it for 15 years, avoiding the cycle of frequent trade-ins and high-interest car loans. This focus on structural honesty is why the Forester remains rattle-free long after the factory warranty expires. Trusting this Subaru ensures you have a permanent fixture in your driveway that outlasts the competition through superior structural honesty and a drivetrain that refuses to quit. Number 3. Honda CR-V. The 2026 Honda CR-V, priced at $30,000, is a mechanical masterpiece that balances daily efficiency with an ironclad reputation for endurance. Consumer Reports ranks it as a top pick because its hybrid model uses high-torque electric motors to handle the majority of heavy-load tasks, significantly reducing the mechanical wear and tear on the gasoline engine. This SUV is built around a high-strength steel frame that prevents structural fatigue, ensuring the vehicle remains a quiet and reliable partner well into the next decade. Honda has also focused on superior cooling and lubrication for the 2026 model, ensuring the transmission stays smooth even after years of daily use in stop-and-go American traffic. RepairPal ranks the CR-V in the top tier for reliability, noting that the probability of a severe repair is only 9%, which is significantly lower than the industry average. Choosing a CR-V is a vote for consistency. It is a vehicle that rewards basic maintenance with a decade or more of flawless service. Its resale value is among the highest in its class, meaning you get more of your dollars back when it is finally time to upgrade. Every dollar spent on this Honda is protected by a legacy of engineering that refuses to cut corners on internal component quality or long-term durability. Relying on this Honda provides a level of daily predictability and high resale value that few other machines can match, ensuring your investment remains secure. Number 2. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 starts at $30,000 and remains the global benchmark for unshakable reliability. Consumer Reports consistently points to its planetary gear transmission as the secret to its mechanical immortality, as it lacks the fragile belts and pulleys that frequently fail in other compact SUVs. Investing your dollars in a RAV4 means you are buying a vehicle with the lowest total cost of ownership in North America, backed by a brand that prioritizes heavy-duty gears over cheap electronic gadgets. The 2026 model benefits from structural enhancements that make it the most robust version to date, capable of handling the corrosive salt and grime of American winters without suffering from chassis rust or fatigue. Its reputation for durability is backed by millions of units on the road, and it is the only SUV that views 200,000 miles as just the break-in period. From a maintenance perspective, the RAV4 is a financial dream. Its brake pads and rotors often last twice as long as the industry average thanks to the regenerative braking system on hybrid models. Every dollar you spend on this vehicle is protected by a drivetrain that has been refined through millions of global units, ensuring that parts are affordable and repair times are short. Spending your dollars here secures a legacy of unshakable performance, making this Toyota the definitive choice for those who value absolute mechanical certainty. Number 1. Subaru Crosstrek. The Subaru Crosstrek, with a starting price of $26,000, takes the top spot as the most reliable and smart choice for buyers in 2026. Consumer Reports notes that over 97% of Crosstreks sold in the last 10 years are still on the road today, a testament to its rugged symmetrical AWD system and low-stress boxer engine. This is a rugged, honest machine that avoids the fragile electronic components of its competition, ensuring that your initial investment holds its value for a generation. The 2026 model features a reinforced suspension that manages rough American roads without suffering the mechanical wear that plagues other small crossovers. With an annual maintenance cost that averages significantly less than its rivals, the Crosstrek is a financial powerhouse for those who value long-term savings. Its mechanical all-wheel drive system provides a purely mechanical connection to the road that refuses to fail when conditions get slippery, unlike the reactive electronic systems found in soft rotors. Subaru's warranty is solid, but the real value is in the vehicle's inherent quality. It is a tool designed for survival, not a toy for superficial trends. Choosing this Crosstrek locks in a mechanical partner that will stay operational and reliable long after its peers have reached their expiration date, representing the ultimate financial victory. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.